Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Well, I wasn't going to do this video because I know I got the bump off coming up though, but you know, I said why not, let me go ahead and share this with you guys. So you got an amp from Walmart. I was shopping and I said, man, I need me a 4-channel amp bad, and I couldn't wait on my 4-channel amp. So I'm sorry, Howard. You know, and if the amp do come in, we will make a decision. You know, and I will not hook this amp up right away though, but check it out. As it says, 1000 watt peak, which don't mean that's the true wattage. So some products will say, you know, 1000 watts RMS. If it says 1000 watt RMS, then we don't have really much to look for. But if it has 1000 watts, you know, peak on there, that means we have something to look for. So let's turn to the back of the box. All right. Don't have to go far for the ratings right there. All right. So it says 80 watts at 4 ohms, 120 watts at 2 ohms. So this is for the 4-channel. These twos I want to be interested in, so I can bridge it to make 120 watts per channel. But if I keep it regular, it's going to be 80 watts per channel. Let's go up. Let's take a look at the top, so we can get a look at it. Yeah, there it is. So it's a Jensen with a DSP amp in it. So it has Bluetooth controls on it. You can do a 2 ohm stable on it. You know, it has illumination color on it. Bridgeable Operation. You can adjust it at 45 hertz. It has a 20 band EQ. Wow. So this has an EQ built into it, of course. And that does not make it better than a real EQ. I had read a comment. Like I think yesterday, and there was a guy that left a comment in there. He was very angry that he thought that I said that, you know, built-in equalizers are better than, you know, standard equalizers, which they are not. You know, standard equalizers are always going to be better than built-in equalizers. Just like they say built-in crossover, a regular crossover is going to be better than a built-in crossover. Oh, just to make myself clear on that. You know, I could have replied back to him though, but it was one of the comments that was blocked, so just left it where it was at. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up. All right. Oh, I had 2 hands. All right, we do get like a speaker harness, which I don't understand because it has all the speaker hookups. You know, you get the mounting screws, you can mount it. They give you the washers. They give you the washers to mount on the box, which I really don't want to mount it on the box though, but it might be an option for me, you know, like if it can stand up to the box. I mean, that box be booming hard. We all know that, right? It tears part of the car up, so tearing a little amp up won't be no problem for it. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with this amp. Hope you guys are doing good today, man. I'm feeling good. You know what I'm saying? It's snow everywhere outside like usual. You know, so we not outside today. We inside. And here we go. All right, all right, all right. There you go. It's a nice looking amp, man. So, all right. So now we figured that out. This is where the plug at. So I guess that's for a high level. I don't know. I'll read the directions for that though, because this plug right here, see this plug right here, is supposed to go right up into there. So we'll read the directions for that though. I like the fact that they did send washers though with it. And like I said, they got all the connections on here. So let's see if we can pull that off. Oh, I got to get something to untighten that, which they got up in here. Hold on for a second. Get that thing up out of there real quick. Should stop the camera while we doing this though, but you know how it is with me, y'all. It is what it is. We're doing it this live right now. And I like the fact it does have twist-on terminals on it too. Makes it so much more easier. There you go. Easy. Now you know we can do whatchamacallit, but look at the man, I think we got four gauge, so I'm gonna have to order 4 gauge. According to the watts, getting 500 watts. Thanks to my boy Ron, he told me how to time that. Time it times 10. That's 500 right there. All right. And then you got the left and right on on my right hand side, of course. Oh man, I'm gonna like this amp, man. Like I said, it's got the illumination up top. And it actually got different type of things in there if we can see it. My car, yeah. Trying to get it up closer. Yeah, but that's the illumination down there. All right, y'all. I don't want to drag this video out no longer, Just wanted to make sure you guys see it though, and let me know what you think about it. You know what I'm saying? It's a Jensen with a D. I think it's called D&B. Let's see that again. DSP. That's what it's called. Yes, it's a Jensen with a DSP with a Bluetooth control into it. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash that like button. Stay tuned tomorrow, guys. Between 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, I'm going to release the video of the bump off. This is going to be a great video. I hope you guys love it. I already love it because I had already done it. The vote is going to count from you guys. So it's going to be something for fun. You know what I'm saying? We just having fun. Ain't nothing serious. Ain't no money on this, so. But it's something to watch. And hopefully for you guys to enjoy. So, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.